What if you invest just a little before age 30? You could retire decades earlier than most people. No trust fund, no six-figure job, no secret advantage. Just math, mindset, and momentum. Today, I'll show you why investing before 30 is your biggest wealth unlock, and exactly how to get started. Welcome to Wealth Wisdom Daily, where smart money habits build long-term freedom. If you're under 30 or even a bit over, this video could be your most valuable financial lesson yet. And if you want step-by-step help, check the course link in the description. It's designed to help beginners become confident investors. Let's begin with this. Let's say two people start investing. Person A starts at 22. They invest just $300 per month for 10 years. At age 32, they stop. Person B starts at 32. They invest $300 per month for 35 years, all the way to age 67. Guess what? Person A, who invested for only 10 years, ends up with more money. How is that possible? Compound interest. Because when you start early, time does the heavy lifting. The money works harder than you do. Here's a simple rule. If you invest $1 today and it grows at 10% per year, it doubles roughly every 7 years. Start at 22. That dollar becomes $8 by the time you're 50. Start at 35. That same dollar becomes only $3. So the earlier you start, the fewer dollars you need. That's why so many people chase money at 40, because they ignored investing in their 20s. Don't let that be you. Let's break the myths. First, I don't have enough money to invest. You don't need a lot. You need consistency. Even $100 a month compounds. Second, I'll start when I make more. People making six figures still delay investing. Income doesn't fix discipline. Third, I'm too young to worry about retirement. You're not investing for retirement. You're investing for freedom. The freedom to quit a job, start a business, or take a break without panic. Every year you wait makes it harder later. Start now, even small. So how do you actually begin? Here are 3 solid places. Number 1, index funds like the S&P 500. Low fees, long-term growth. Number 2, robo-advisors. Great for beginners. Hands-off automated investing. Number 3, employer retirement accounts. If you get a match, that's free money. Always take it. You don't need to pick the perfect stock. You need to pick a simple, consistent plan and stick to it. And if you're not sure how to build that plan, I've made a beginner-friendly course that walks you through every step. Link is in the description. Let me tell you about someone named Ria. She started investing at age 24. Not a lot, just $150 a month. By the time she was 30, she had over $20,000. Not from side hustles, not from luck, just consistency and growth. And here's the wild part, that $20,000 could become $150,000 or more by age 50, even if she never invests another dollar. That's the power of starting early. Here's your 3-step action plan. Step 1, automate your investments. Set up a monthly auto transfer to an investment account. Step 2, keep it simple. Stick to index funds or a diversified ETF portfolio. Step 3, ignore the noise. Markets go up and down. Your job is to stay consistent. This formula works. The sooner you start, the bigger your results. So if you're under 30, this is your edge. Start now, not later. Not perfectly. Just start. If you want a clear blueprint to build wealth from scratch, check out the full investing course in the description. It's beginner-proof and long-term focused. This is Wealth Wisdom Daily. Subscribe, share this with someone in their 20s, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers!